Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to share with you how to get your woman to think about you all day long and constantly. So if you've ever been in a situation where you've been dating or you've tried to date and then you're realizing that nothing is really happening, then it's probably because you're not having the right approach to make her want you and crave you to a whole new level. So I'm gonna give you the tips and the things to do to get there easily and effortlessly. I am Céline Rémy, the Intimacy Angel, and I am here to help you bring your sexy back in life. And before I give you tip number one, take a sec to like today's video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends so that more people can have thriving relationships. So the first thing to understand is that we are not playing games here. It is not about tactics and manipulations. Those things don't work. Sometimes they might get you the girl, but they don't make you have a thriving relationship. They don't make you have a relationship with a woman who can't get enough of you. So don't think about this as like, I've got to like play her. We hate that. This is not going to play. And so you want to be authentic, you want to be yourself in what you do, and you want to create a space for her and for you where the two of you can be in your heart, because this is really what's going to work. So let's talk about the first step to do with a woman. You want to create an emotional connection. Now let me explain a little bit more about the emotional connection. It is not about you. It is about her. It is not about you being all over gushing your feelings, how much you love her or how much you want her, and it's all about like how she makes you feel. That is not going to make her want you. It is about her. So you can ask her things like, how does that make you feel? These are like magic words with a woman. When you start to care about what's inside and you focus on her emotion and creating that connection, you will like put yourself apart from the pack and she'll start to think about you. You know how women love romance? There's a reason we like romance. We love these gestures. We love these romantic things. And this is what we like to play our romantic movies again and again in our head. So when you create that emotional connection, you activate that side of us. My tip number two is to make her feel seen and appreciated. And when a woman feels like she is totally seen for who she is, she can blossom and relax and open up and really want to be with you more, because most men are either threatened if she's like powerful, or they don't see her or see her just for one part, like, oh, she's got a great tits, you know, and that's all they see. If you can see her fully and make her feel appreciated, and that she's not just a great ass, but that she's got other qualities, and you can give her that perfect balance between, yes, she's a beautiful woman, but she's also this intelligent woman, she will want to be around you. She will want to be like, please see me some more, here I am. She won't stop thinking about you. My tip number three is to keep an edge about you. And an edge is when you're willing to push yourself to not just be average. Having an edge is also about having confidence, not being afraid in life. So when she sees you as this man who has this edge in life, who goes after what he wants, she will want to be that thing that you are after. She will want to just be like, hey, big me, see me, right? So develop that edge in your life, develop that confidence. And whatever that is, whatever your edge is, whether it's a physical thing because you're into martial art, or you're into like rock climbing, or maybe it's a mental edge because you love to play chess, or you're really good at math, you're a geek in some ways, whether it's in the kitchen with knives, whatever that looks like, cultivate your edge and don't be afraid to show that edge to her, because this is kind of what women like in the bad boy. It's that edge. We don't like to be treated not nicely, but we do like that edginess of things in a man. My tip number 4, you want to have a life that you love and you want to be happy with or without her. When a woman feels that you don't need her but you want her, that's really absolutely attractive. That's something that she'll be like, wow, I want to be around this man. This is like, that's something that she'll play again and again in her mind movie, in her romantic mind movie. So remember, it's important to have a life that you love, to love yourself, and to be happy with or without her. And you want to be able to find that balance where you want her to be a priority in your life, really, but she can't be the number one priority, that nothing else matters. She wants to know that you've got things and that she matters to you, but that there are other things. Which leads me to my tip number 5. You want to treat her like a queen, but you want to make sure that you are her king. And this is powerful because, again, it's all about that balance of the masculine and feminine. And when you treat her like a queen and you are still acting like a king, it is so powerfully attractive. So remember these tips, they are super important. You want to create the emotional connection, you want to make her feel seen and appreciated, you want to keep an edge about you and love your life and be happy with and without her, and make sure that you treat her like a king like a queen, as you remain the king that you are. If you do these things, your woman is going to start to think about you all day long, obsess about you, and want you and only you. I hope today's video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.